Welcome back, and this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. I'm excited about these shoes. This is a unboxing of my third pair from TLB Mallorca. Just to review a little bit for those who haven't watched, the first pair that I bought was a pair of Adelaides in a beautiful brown Vegano. And then I decided I was going to try some suede shoes, and I kind of got mixed up when I was ordering them between the long wings, the Nolan, and the I think it's the Oliver, which is a split toe. I collect both split toes and long wings, and I was sure that I had bought the split toe, and I didn't. I bought the long wing. So I was surprised when I got the box, and then I started, I went back and I looked at my order, and I ordered the wrong one. It might be a sign that you might order too many shoes when you don't remember what you get ordered. But in any case, I really was looking forward to ordering another pair. And when I was on the site and I was looking, I found I really like long wings where they are a full derby, and I like long wings where they're more of a blucher, like a whole straight line. So this is the pair that are derbies. They don't make a straight line blucher type in the Artista line. So I went and I did a custom order off of their main line, which I'm excited about. That has not arrived yet, but I'm excited about these. This is the 136. This is the derby version. I went for it in chocolate suede. I have 3 other chocolate suede split toes, and I am trying to make it a habit. So I decided to do that. I find it a lot easier when the color is the same and I'm just comparing the actual functions of the shoe. And candidly, dark brown goes with everything. So it's a great shoe to have multiples in. And split toes are a really, really good example of a shoe design that has so many options and so many differences that their shoes are not anything like each other. So I'm excited about it, and it gives me an opportunity to redo my suede split toe video, and to introduce you guys to just yet another style of split toe, which is really good. So excited about this video. Thank you for your support and subscribing, and let me know in your comments on anything that you'd like to see differently in the format. Thanks again. Welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a new pair of TLB Mallorca. This is the 136. Here, make sure that comes through. There you go. This is part of the Artista line. This does have a city sole, which many of you know I'm not a huge fan of, but candidly I was just really anxious to get these and didn't want to wait for doing an MTO on this. I did an MTO on one of their main lines. What I wanted to do is I wanted to get 2 pairs of split toes, one in the traditional derby, and one with the blucher type. So this is the Artista. Take a really close look here. You can see that this has just a phenomenal hand stitching. It comes with bags, of course. I just kind of breezed over that. This has shoes inside it because I got shoes that are made on the Goya last as part of the purchase. The last TLB shoes that I got had mainline trees, and I used a pair of mainline trees in my other Artista last, the Picasso. So this time I ordered 2 pairs, this pair with the Goya last, and the other pair, even though it's not an Artista, with the Artista trees, so that I can swap them out with my mainline trees. So very excited about it, and really, by the way, it's Picasso trees, not
not Artista trees. Artista is just the line. So these are suede split toes, and if you have watched my channel before, you know that I am a fan of suede split toes. As a matter of fact, if we go back here on my shelf, you'll see I have 3 pairs of suede split toes today. But these are what we're looking at now, and I want to make sure that I do them justice. They are, as I said before, they're derbies. They have a very nice line to them. They have a very narrow heel. City sole, as I said before, but this is a really narrow waist. It's a beveled waist, great heel, small heel, and I'm really looking forward to trying this out. The only rubber sole I've ever tried from TLB has been on the main line, which is more of a day-night shoe. So I feel like these are going to be a good addition to the arsenal to give them a try, see how they are. The stitching on this is phenomenal, as it always is with TLB. And they have a full heel cap here as well, which I really like. So that's the unboxing. Looking forward to trying them on.